Welcome back to another edition of Chumley 105 here. My name is Zach, and today we're going to be looking at this 1971 50Z. Now, I just picked this up this past week, and it has been quite a fun bike. Shout out to my friend Billy for hooking me up with this one, but man, it is a blast to ride. It's not all original, but it's still pretty cool. Alright, we're going to do a quick walk around of the Z here. It's pretty much stock. It's got an 04 CRF 50 engine on it. Got your Carlisle tires. Got the whole shot design. Stock exhaust. Stock fenders. Got bigger handlebars for bigger guys like me. Alright, now we're going to roll some footage of it actually out riding and testing it. And then I'm going to give my review on it. So go ahead and check the video out as seen here. Oh gosh. Definitely not meant to wheelie. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. My review honestly on the bike, I really like this bike just for the coolness factor of it. You know, it's a little bit old school, and I really enjoy the old school stuff. Compared to the TTR 110 of Ethan's, it's the TTR 110 will blow it out of the water, because this is just a 50cc engine. Have plans of maybe putting a big bore kit in this thing, maybe giving it a little bit of a run for its money. But what I would rate this as, I'd rate it at 4 out of 5 stars. That's just my personal opinion. and hopefully we get to do some more cool videos with it in the future. But thanks for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you think I should do more reviews like this, let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, subscribe please. I would greatly appreciate it. We're just trying to get a little bigger here at Chumley 105, and I need your guys' help with that. Tell your friends and stuff like that. Once again, thank you for watching. Just keep it classy, guys.